channel. Hope you all are doing good and absolutely funny. It's around 10 in the morning. But যাই হোক শুভ পঞ্চমী আজ হচ্ছে পাঞ্চমী and আমি ঠিক করেছি যে during these you can hear the loud noise. Yes, I have thought of making the Durga Puja like vlog series, a mixture of English and Bengali. For those who are Bengali will definitely enjoy it, and those who are non-Bengali and from my South India or from North India or West India, they can refer it to the English. Durga Puja আর বাংলা বলবো না এটা তো হতে পারে না না, তাই দুর্গা পূজার সাথে বাঙালির যে কানেকশনটা সেটাই আমি নষ্ট করতে চাই। শুভ পঞ্চমী অ্যান্ড নবরাত্রি টু এভরিওয়ান। সো টুডে ইজ দ্য 5th ডে অ্যান্ড এবার কাল থেকে আমাদের পুজো শুরু হয়ে যাচ্ছে। অ্যাকচুয়ালি পুজো শুরু হয়েই গেছে যারা যারা অন্য অন্য জায়গায় থাকে, বাট এখানে এখন আপাতত আমাদের পাড়ায় মাইক বাজেনি, বাজার স্টার্ট হয়েছে সবে। আর আশা করি তোমাদের পুজোটা খুব 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 ভালো কাটবে। আর যারা নবরাত্রি সেলিব্রেট করছে, ফর দোজ হু অল আর সেলিব্রেটিং নবরাত্রি, মে ইয়োর দিস নবরাত্রি goes well and best. So till then stay tuned and I love this song. Okay, so it is around 12:15 in the afternoon. Now I will go and prepare the lunch. In today's lunch we have rice, dal, egg curry which I will make, and পাঁচ মিশালি না but চচ্চড়ি টাইপ যেটা মা খুব ভালো বানায়, yet she is good in making all these Bengali dishes. So anyways, now I will go and prepare that before, and also I will first take my bath so that I'm all done for the day, and then I will go and prepare a lunch. Curry is given in my other channel Suprabha Poddar, so if you haven't subscribed that channel then please go and subscribe to that channel and make both of my families grow bigger. And I feel that every one person who is watching me and every one like which I am getting, that is keeping me motivated and to shoot to post regular vlogs and to post regular content on both of my channel. So please do keep supporting and let's make this family a bigger family. I forgot to share one thing, that today is Panchami and today is Sunday. So today is the last day we are having non-veg because my father is Bangal, and jara Bangal tara janbe je Bangladeshi Bangal jara, not a Deshi Bangali, that they will have veg during Durga Puja, because in my grandmother's, that is my paternal grandmother's home, they had Durga Puja festival. So till date for the last 25 years I have been eating pure veg, that is without onion and garlic on the veg days whenever we have. And other than that, whenever we have Durga Puja from ষষ্ঠী থেকে নিয়ে একেবারে দশমী অবধি, মানে দশমীতে ঠাকুর বিসর্জন হবে, তারপর আমাদের ঘরেও মানে নন ভেজ হবে। Right now is that like it, the soul has to be pure, very much mindful, and what intention you are having in your mind, whether your mind is clean or not, that is the more important thing. And good evening. So it is around 4:30 in the evening. I slept well because I had too much of food, that is রাইস অ্যান্ড আন্ডা কারি। অ্যান্ড যখন একটু ভালো মন্দ খাবার দাবার হয় তখন আর মানে আর যদি খিদেও পেয়ে থাকে তখন আর খাওয়াটা কন্ট্রোল করা যায় না। সো এনিওয়েজ, now I haven't yet drank my green tea. I will now sit down and finish my pomegranate, or else my mom will eat my head. I will finish that and I will then go upstairs and will do 1 week. I guess I had no physical exercise other than doing work. So I don't have. So also আজকে পঞ্চমী, জানিও যে তোমরা কেমন তোমাদের পঞ্চমীটাকে মানছো, আর কোথায় কোথায় ঘুরতে যাচ্ছ, কী কী খাচ্ছ, কী করছো, কেমনভাবে তোমাদের পঞ্চমীটা কাটছে, আর কী কী জামা পরছো, নিশ্চয়ই আমাকে কমেন্ট করে জানিও। সো ফর অল দোজ হু হ্যাভ been guessing what I said in Bengali, it's just that for those who are going out, roaming, hopping about in the panel, just let me know in the comment section how you are spending your Panchami. So till then, stay tuned. This is totally empty now. Now it is just need to be clean. It was all covered with hay during the summer. So now I have come in the terrace and will start my skipping, and I don't wear shoe while skipping because I feel comfortable in this way. But if you have any problem and if you don't feel comfortable while skipping, then please do wear shoe, because that is the advisable. So anyways, I will then open this and will comb my hair. So let's begin.
Klappat hakten alla Gullfest hela dagen. Mjöl från livets grottekvarn. Gullfest hela dagen.
Okay, so my skipping is done. I did 300 and above I broke it like 60, 90, 30, 50 like this. So it comes 300 plus 310 or 15 I guess. Now I will pick up all the clothes and I will go downstairs, will relax, fresh, and will do something else. So till then, stay tuned. Hello everyone. So it is around 10 in the night. I went to the market and got exchanged my this little tripod, that is which resulted in that falling. So I guess this will go good and I will show you once. And right now I am actually using that tripod and vlogging, and its stability, it's good, and it's around 150 in the price, and I guess in 150 decent quality and the stability, that is what it is. Even nothing is guaranteed, life is also not guaranteed. So anyways, I will end this vlog here itself. If you like this video, then don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel. আর শুভ পঞ্চমী আবার শুভেচ্ছা। আশা করি কাল আবার দেখা হবে, আর কাল হচ্ছে মহাষষ্ঠী। So tomorrow we'll see you. Till then, bye bye. Oh wait, I would like to also show my new tripod. So this is my new tripod. Like this, it can bend, and that is the reason first I wanted, but because of that stability of this particular thing, I wasn't getting. But anyway, see, it can actually bend like this. So yes, I loved it.